Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. The side of an equilateral triangle is given as A. Find the perimeter of the equilateral triangle using this A. Now we know perimeter is nothing but length of border. Now since this is an equilateral triangle, we know that length of all the sides is going to be given A units. So since it's equilateral triangle, length of all sides is going to be A units. Therefore, perimeter will be A plus A plus A, which is sum of all the lengths, which is equal to 3A. So answer is option B. Perimeter is 3A units.